You can literally knock this out within a couple hours if you're a beginner, and with very basic tools. So we're going to be upgrading all of our speakers with the Bavsound kit for this car. So Bavsound actually sent us these speakers, and depending on your car and depending on the package that you have, you can go on the Bavsound website and get the exact one that you need. Now the tools that you're gonna need are very simple, just a basic set of screwdrivers, a Torx set or Torx screwdrivers, and a socket set doesn't hurt either. So the install is pretty straightforward. We're gonna be removing all of the door panels. The speakers on the E46s are attached directly to the door panel. So you just unscrew them, you put the Bavsound speaker in, then you plug it back in. We're gonna start out here in the front because this is probably one of the more involved things. I'm only gonna show one side, so we're gonna start out with the whole passenger side because it's the same exact thing on the driver's side. We're gonna remove this tweeter and replace that first. They're probably one of the only plug-and-play solution for your car. That way you can literally knock this out within a couple hours if you're a beginner, and with very basic tools. You don't have to, crimp anything. You don't have to do any of that. Everything is just plug and play. So I just finished installing the whole Bavsound Stage One speaker upgrade. For right now, let me go ahead and give you my review on the speakers. Oh dang! Holy.